Welcome guys again to President MEELO 2 now on YouTube. My name is President MEELO and today I'm going to show you how to steal the cat's eyes and use it on your own. It could be any animal. Well, it is very simple. First thing first, create a folder and make sure you put both photos in one folder, which is a photo of you and photo of the animal that you want to steal the eyes from. Then open your Photoshop, say new project, then by default have a white background. Mine is blue. So what you need to do is put both photos as your layers. Then what you need to do is select the layer of the cat. Then go to your eyes and make sure you crop it using the polygamic lasso tool. After doing so, go to your edit and say copy. Switch off picture from the view of the layer of the cat. Then after say paste. Then after saying paste, you have options now to strengthen it and also to rotate it. Move it to the black mark of your eye. After moving it there, make sure it's placed well. If it's not clear, you can also use eraser to make sure it's perfectly or smooth. By selecting a less of the opacity while it is cutting, then this could cut it as less as possible and well as still. When you place it or use a smart tool to stretch the way possible or just to make sure it fits so well, then you can zoom out, just look at it, then zoom in. Then after doing so, you go to your layers on the very same layer, say options, go to blending options, then go to outer glow. Using the outer glow, now we will need to select a color which is going to be an outer color on the very same eye so that it will be like the eyes are more like lighting. However, there's a lot of options you can use, but I prefer the outer glow. We need to do the very same thing to the other eye. Go to the very same layer and say duplicate, then say the right eye. Then after renaming it the right eye, you can move it to the other side, which is the right eye. Then after doing so, now we have to move it and make sure it is placed well. After doing so, you have something like this. Now to color correct it is very simple. All you need to do is go to vibrance and make sure you improve the color which is present, or you can go to saturation and make sure you move it to more, which it can improve the color which is already present, or it could take it to more of black and white, or a bit darker, which is the way I need it to be more composed with darkness, so that the eyes will be glowing like there is a light in my eyes, which actually there's eyes of the cat. So guys, that's it, we're done. I guess this tutorial is the last tutorial in 2019. So guys, I'll see you again in 2020. Peace out.